How to fix iPhone not vibration on silent mode. So all you have to do is to make sure that your phone is on silent mode. Just tap on here, and as you can see, silent mode is currently turned on. Now if your phone is still not vibrating, then what you want to do next is to tap on here on your settings. Now on your settings, what you want to do next is to scroll down up until you see accessibility here. Now here on accessibility, you will see these four sections. You will see the vision section, the physical and motor section, the hearing section, and then the general section. What I want you to do is to go to your physical and motor section here and tap on touch. Now here on touch, as you can see here, it will look like this. What you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see vibration here. Now, as you can see, it's actually turned on. So you have to make sure that it's turned on. Now, when you switch it off, all vibration on your phone will be disabled, including when you turn your phone to silent mode. The vibration there is actually turned off too. So including those for earthquake, tsunamis, and other emergency alerts. Just toggle that on, and basically that is how you fix iPhone not vibration on silent mode. Now, if it doesn't work, maybe your phone is experiencing some glitch and you may want to actually update it. So go to your settings here, go back here to your settings, and then go to software update available, and then update your application there, and then just restart your phone. And basically that is how you fix iPhone not vibration on silent mode. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.